Nerizuba omubere gwa Macklin Amanya Obirari Senior Human Resource Officer gwasiba Arimba Regional Referral Hospital okongera kuguchebera n'ekigendwa cy'okumanya okwarugera omagara g'enseegi bwanyuma yokuzaho ebibuuzo benshi. Omwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi Aribanda Municipality Lilian Tracy Khan Obirare mukama wa Amanya Argamona TV West yashobora nko municipality bakiri omwirima tebakamanyire ekisire omugenzi.
So Macklin ogu akashabaho annual leave tukhendera umwaka ogwa 2024 applying for annual leave yitwa mhiringa office haza arikugira ngo navurai aina magara mashi konkati kati tarikumanya na shashata.
Omugenzi akabanza kurwara ahirwaro rya Ruhoko aho yabere aino bukumi bw'amani batarikwikiriza abakozi bagenzi be okumureba bakija kumuchwa erisho bwanyuma yokura ngo ishe aizire yamutwara ahirwaro rya KU niko kuzayo bamwe bakamureba.
Twashitama nka office granting a sick leave until of late obututungire okumanyisibwa ngo abire kubi and staff bitu baino bazayo bamureba nka office twaguma mobilizing ira center za medical treatment.
We are admitted KIU Ishaka information I come with town clerk ya convening a meeting office I remember kazayo and some other 3 staff to identify ngona shasha
abakozi bagenzi be ahantu ho barukonja kwetombwita ari yabona mnonga abazibire obutamureba obwakiriya hirwaro rya Ruhoko.
Basically tino wabena so kumanya icharo with at that time because tino yachigambire konka akamana yati I'm not feeling well, I'm not fine, I think I will be fine.
Through the phone?
No, on your way kuna interacting na we WhatsApp because ngamkama wa engineer ya wasijiro mu office amekama consulting WhatsApp and yet I'm not fine, I think I will be well. I remember tukanzoma assessment
amakuraga gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe omuri Ibanda.